Hello, my respected viewers and colleagues from academia, industry, and all other disciplines. I am James Ransford Dankwah, a professor of metallurgical and materials engineering at the University of Mines and Technology, Dankwah. It is my pleasure to invite you to my professorial inaugural lecture entitled Waste Plastics, a Modern Day Resource Paradox, leveraging its positive attributes for an environmentally sustainable metals production on Wednesday, 30th July 2025 at the main auditorium of the university at 3 p.m. It's going to be an amazing time, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.